Kitchen 101. You can make bone broth from the roasted bones of pork, beef, turkey, bison, venison, a leftover rotisserie chicken, or fish. Use a large freezer bag and add bones as you accumulate them until you have enough to make a broth. Start with 1 gallon of water, add 2 to 4 pounds of bones, and add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. To enhance the flavor, add vegetables, salt, and pepper. Bring it to a boil, reduce to a simmer, and cook for 12 to 24 hours. The longer it cooks, the better it will taste. Allow the broth to cool and strain it into a large container and toss the solids. Now you have a savory, versatile bone broth that you can use to steam or sauté vegetables or use as a stock in soups and sauces. Bone broth is great for cooking rice or foods that absorb liquid. It's easy, affordable, and nutritious.